Hello everyone, in this tutorial video we are going to be talking about admins in Frame, how to add other admins and what admins can do. So first off, if you open the sidebar, the button at the top right, you'll need to be logged in and you'll need to be on a frame that you've created. Now if you go to the Frames tab, you'll see a This Frame dropdown. This is where you adjust the setting for this frame. Now if you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of settings. Go through the permissions, and if you keep going down, you'll see two drop downs, one for members and one for admins. And you might remember with members, you can set certain members for your frame, and then you can set if only members, can edit or interact or view your frame. But let's say you want to set an admin who can sort of do everything, including adjust all of these settings. That's when you'd want to add someone as an admin. Now I've already invited two, my colleagues Harkirat and Rabit, so they're already added. I can remove them if I want, but it's very simple. You just add them with an email address and then you click add. Now once you click add, they will get an email that says you've been invited to be an admin of this frame. So what can admins do? So two of the fundamental things that admins can do is mute other users and boot other users. So let's say this user, guest, an admin could go up here and mute them. An admin could in fact click this button to boot them. Just boot the user, right? There they go. Fair enough. So those are kind of admin only controls. And the admin can also see the This Frame dropdown for that frame, so the admin can actually adjust all of these settings, just like you can. Okay. Now, if you want admins to be able to add other admins, you can set that as a toggle, or if you don't want them to be able to, you can just keep that toggled off. If you want to remove someone as an admin, as I said, you can just click this trash can next to their name, and you're good to go. So in summary, admins, you can invite them to your frame. They can pretty much do just about everything that you can do. Once we launch pricing, admins will not be able to adjust some of that billing info, but otherwise they can pretty much adjust all of the frame settings and mute and boot other users. I hope that was helpful, and good luck.